Hello everybody, welcome back to the shop. 10 more minutes. Thunderchief building action, baby. Oh yeah, there's my new jumper piece. Yep, got it primed up yesterday, got it smooth, and waxed her up this morning, painted her white, and I got my first layer of 4-ounce cloth on there. Google or something. Got my first layer of my 4-ounce cloth. Okay, now I'm going to put the second layer on it. This is how I fiberglass it. I got to be careful. If I build this up too much back here, it ain't going to fit in my lip, and it won't fit through that aluminum bulkhead in the jet. It's this size. And so I got to be careful not to build that up. So I don't want to do it in two halves because I'll have two lap marks and that'll build it up. So I want to do it like this. I want to put on a piece and I want to roll a piece. Oh, and to continue my conversation from yesterday, if you notice when the turbine died on my T-45, that was the only time you ever knew the gear was going up or down on that airplane with all them Bobo Cam videos. But you see it, you hear them go clunk, you hear the gear doors, and then you hear the gear come down. And, you know, you see this jet just shake, just a frickle. You know, when that thing's flying, it's not like it's sitting there, you know. You can't tell when them gear go up or down. You can tell because it's draggy on the plane, and then the nose wants to drop, especially if you're going a little slow. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut a hole in the middle of this glass right here and put it through. That hole. I'll work it a little bit bigger without destroying my first layer of 10 ounce. That's the trick. Or my first layer of 4 ounce, I mean. Oh yeah. That's going to work nicely. Now, you just gotta kind of work these bubbles out, or these wrinkles. Trim it. Only trim it short. Now let's see if I can't work them out. If I gotta cut it in one or two places along this side of it, you know, it's no big deal. See this edge out here, I can't let build up. You guys see this? You get zoomed out again. But I got my duct ready to go again. It's all painted. It's outside drying. I'll get these laid up today, and we'll install them tomorrow. You know what I mean there, Vern? Yeah, I'm going to have to put a cut. see if we can't get away with one. Right there. Work this wrinkle this way. No, we're going to have two. No big deal. Got my tenant there too. Okay. Nice clean cut. Oh shoot, that piece ain't gonna be long enough. Hold on, talk amongst yourselves for a second. Alright. Back. Get a nice clean cut. Cut that way. And overlap it just a freckle. Get these ducts installed, people. It's going to get exciting fast. Dad's doing a little rework on my gear. Okay, I came up with a way to mount my cylinders, air cylinders, and it's a pretty good way. But Dad has thought of a way to mount it to the gear. They're actually mounted to the gear now. It's pretty cool. Now, I'm thinking he's having issues. Or he'd have been calling me, wanting to bring it over first thing this morning. Trust me, that's old Pop. As soon as that dude's working, he's on his way over. So, I'm thinking he's having a little bit of drama going on in his shop. Because in order for him to work, the way he's got it, that air cylinder's got to be straight. But I think if it's straight, it's going to hit the wheel. Me and Paul had it figured with a little bit of angle in it, and I got a couple deals made. That's going to anchor him really good. But I figure I'll let old Pop give it a try, see what he can come up with. I like his idea. He came up with a couple parts yesterday, and I liked what he's got going. But the question is, will it work? No, Dad ain't gonna give up. If it's gonna work, Dad'll make it work.